I didn't know what it was. What is it?
You'll see.
Is it for me?
It's for everyone. It's called Amazon Echo.
How's it going?
I'm just finishing up right now.
Is it on?
Oh, it's always on.
Can it hear me right now?
Nope. It only hears you when you use the wake word we chose. Alexa.
Well, what does it do?
Alexa, what do you do?
Hang out with your mom?
Awesome. Alexa, play rock music.
Oh, the moon, spoon, spoon, spoon. June, June,
Alexa,
June.
stop.
Spoon, June.
Wait, I want to try. Alexa, what time is it?
I'm floating.
Actually, don't have to yell at it, okay? It uses far-field technology so it can hear you from anywhere in the room.
So it can just hear you anywhere?
Yes. Well, everyone can hear you anyway.
Oh, is that where we're going to put it?
I was thinking of putting it there, but it works anywhere.
Echo is pretty neat because it knows all sorts of things.
It's on
All you have to
Tuesday.
do is ask.
Alexa, how tall is Mount Everest?
I don't know.
How can it know so much? It's so small.
It updates using the cloud. That's also how it gets its answers.
Just read that off the box, huh?
Dad really likes that Echo just plugs in, so we never have to charge it. Plus, Echo's really good at keeping track of things like shopping and to-do lists.
Paper. Alexa, add wrapping paper to the shopping list.
I've got salt.
Alexa, how many teaspoons are in a tablespoon?
Why?
Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Dad's not a morning person, but Echo definitely helps him wake up.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in.
You gotta get up.
It's Saturday.
Alexa, what day is it?
Stop the world. I want to get up.
I'm up. Alexa, give me my flash news briefing.
Hey, Jimmy, somebody wrote on the walls. They're going to get in trouble.
Mom, what did the dog say after a long day of work?
What?
Today was rough. Did you get it? Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Another one.
Alexa, tell me another joke.
Yeah. No.
Sometimes Echo helps out when you least expect it.
Hey, Dad, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe. C-A-N-T... Alexa, how do you spell cantaloupe?
Croissant.
Good job.
Echo loves to play music and knows a lot of songs, and they always sound great.
Alexa, play my dance mix.
We are the Spies. We are 3 cool guys. We all have a nose and we have 2 eyes.
Alexa, define annoying.
Can you see her constant fighting is tearing us all apart?
Oh, my brother.